Welcome to our channel. It's so good to have you here. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Today we'll be cooking another easy, delicious cabbage recipe. Ready for our first recipe? Okay, here we go. Place your cooking pot on the stove. Add a tablespoon of cooking oil and let it heat. Chop a medium bulb onion, or about 45 grams of onion. When done, add it to the well-heated cooking oil. Let it sizzle and cook. Meanwhile, grate one carrot about 70 grams. When done grating, add it to the onion and mix well. While it is cooking, get your cabbage ready. Clean a medium-sized cabbage of about 250 grams. Chop it into thin strips. Remember, precision is always the key. When it is fully chopped, add it to the cooking ingredients and mix well. Add your preferred spices such as black pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, salt taste, a tablespoon of soy sauce. Crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Add a teaspoon of black pepper. Add salt to taste. Mix the ingredients well. You may whisk it if it's easier for you. Set it aside when it's well mixed. Now, chop about 20 grams of green leaf onions. And add them to the egg mixture. Grate about 100 grams of mozzarella cheese and add to the egg mixture. It's time to add the cabbage mix you made earlier. Add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour and mix all the ingredients. Continue mixing until the flour, cabbage and eggs are well mixed. Place a clean cooking pot on a burning stove. Add a tablespoon of cooking oil and let it heat. When it's well heated, add your ingredients and spread them well in the pot. Cover the pot and let the ingredients cook on medium heat. After it has cooked for 5 minutes, flip it and let the other side cook for 5 minutes. When it's well cooked to a nice golden brown colour, stop the fire and let it cool a little. Cut into preferred serving sizes. Serve it with your preferred sauce. Here is our second cabbage recipe. Chop a cabbage of about 300 grams. Chop it into thin strips. Precision is important, but your fingers are more important. We do not want unnecessary trips to the emergency department. Grate 1 carrot, about 100 grams, you know. Add it to the cabbage, add some salt to taste. Mix the ingredients and let them marinate for about 10 minutes. Now crack 3 eggs. Add your preferred spices, whisk and mix well. Now place a cooking pan on the burning stove. Add a tablespoon of cooking oil. When it's well heated, add the egg mixture. Spread it well on the pan. Let it cook until the colour turns to light yellow. Remove the egg from the pan, place on the chopping board, fold it and cut it into small pieces. Put it in a bowl. Chop green leaf onions about 25 grams. Add it to the cut pieces of egg in the bowl. Now squeeze excess water from the cabbage and carrot mixture that has been marinating. When fully squeezed, place it in a clean bowl. Add the chopped eggs and green leaf onions. Add your preferred spices to taste. For us, we're going to add some black pepper, chili powder, and salt to taste. Add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch powder. Mix thoroughly well until all the cornstarch is well mixed. Now wear your kitchen gloves and take a handful of the ingredients and mould them to a ball. The same way you do when you make some meatballs. Repeat this procedure to all the ingredients in the bowl. Place all your balls in a steaming pot. Cover them and let them steam for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, remove them from the steaming pot. Set them aside, ready to serve. What do you think? Don't they look so delicious? You may serve them with sauce of your choice. If you enjoyed watching this video, please share and subscribe. See you in the next video.